Hi, my name is Stuart Ross and I'm the co-founder of the Six Figure Mentors and Digital Experts Academy, and thanks for coming through to check out this webpage. Now I just want to take a quick minute to introduce myself and tell you what this webpage is all about. Chances are you don't know who I am. You may have been recommended us by a friend or a colleague or a contact, or maybe you found us online. But I just want to take a quick minute to tell you exactly what you're going to get out of this very special webcast you can see that I'm going to be holding right here from my home office in Miami, Florida. So over the last few years, myself and my business partner Jay Kubizak have been extremely passionate, almost obsessed I should say, with really waking people up to what's possible in this new digital economy that we all live in. And more specifically what we mean is helping people grow income streams by working online, leveraging the skill set of online or internet marketing. And I remember when I first came across the whole idea or whole concept of online internet marketing that I really had no idea what it was about, what it meant, but what I was told was that learning that skill set was really what would ultimately give me freedom, flexibility and success online. You see, I wanted a business that would allow me to have geographical freedom, to be able to scale my income, but even more important than both of those, do something every day that I was passionate about. And so what I did is back in 2008, really invested in my education. And I mean spending a lot of time learning different things, different strategies, different formulas, different business models, so that I could actually ultimately become successful. And the truth is, within 6 months of getting started online, I'd quit my job, my career of 8 years in real estate, and I was earning a full-time income working on the internet with a ton of freedom and flexibility. And you know, this is something that we want to really wake people up to, because nothing quite matches the flexibility of an online business. Now, it really doesn't matter if you've got an existing business, a traditional business, you work in a traditional job, or you're trading your time for money, building a network marketing opportunity, maybe you're a coach or a consultant. None of that matters, but what we're really going to be talking about on this presentation is why online marketing is what is needed, or what is the skill set that is required to get really, really good at getting customers. And like I said, it doesn't matter if you don't have an existing business or any ideas, because you can actually apply it to business models like affiliate marketing, so you can start making money almost immediately. So if this sounds interesting, make sure you register for this very special webcast. It's only going to be about 30 minutes long. I'm going to be sat right here broadcasting to you, where I'm actually going to go into more detail of what I'm talking about right now. And by the end of it, you're going to get the opportunity to actually get access to a very special training module where you're going to really learn the fastest and most effective ways to succeed online. So thanks for coming through to check out this video anyway, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you on the webcast. Don't forget to register your mobile phone number if you want us to send you a text message to remind you of the presentation which will be starting. Over and out for now, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Take care.